Yo, what is going on, guys? It is RINX here, back again in sunny South Florida with another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. In the mail we have received this package right here. Now what that is carbon fiber side skirts. Yes, we finally got them for the RCF. So excited to get started on the install and whatnot, but this video is actually not going to be an install video. This is going to be something a little bit different. We're basically going to discuss the topic of, are the eBay cheaper carbon fiber parts worth it for your car? Now really, everyone has their own opinion on this and everyone has their own budget as well. Me, myself, I mean, I can't really be affording like the $1,200, $1,500 carbon fiber pieces for the bottom part of my car, like side skirts, rear diffuser, front lip, whatnot. So we have went ahead and purchased these side skirts from eBay. It was around $500-ish shipped. And also I did want to say that this seller offers a lot of other carbon fiber things too for the RCF and many cars. So if you guys do want to go check him out, I'll have a link to this product down in the description and it'll be linked to his eBay page. And I actually saw that these parts ended up coming from Taiwan, which is interesting. A lot of these parts come from China. And obviously I guess the reason that we are able to get them cheaper is because they are made in places that have very cheap labor, and they also may not be as high quality as parts you'd be getting from somewhere else in the world. So personally, like I said, I don't like to spend a lot of money on, you know, carbon fiber parts for my car, especially the parts that are down below, like these side skirts. All it really takes is a little rock or a retread or something, as well as my front lip, to just destroy the whole thing, take it out, crack it, something like that, and there would go like $1,000 or whatever crazy price I could have been paying for a carbon fiber piece. You see, so that is my reason that I won't pay absurd amounts for carbon pieces that are low to the ground. But I would like to hear more from you guys down below. Let me know like whether you would prefer to buy the more expensive carbon fiber parts or these cheaper eBay, Chinese, wherever you're getting them from, carbon fiber parts. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and actually check on our front lip and see how it's holding up. This front lip was from eBay as well, and I've looked at it before. Everything seems just fine, still shiny, not really any chips or anything. I'm just feeling the edges. Everything still seems smooth. I've probably only put like, I don't know, not even, maybe like 2,000 miles so far with this on, and you could see down here, these aren't even scuffs. This is just like bugs, or whatever, dirt and stuff. I haven't hit any curbs or I haven't went into any dips and had this hit at all, thank God, yet. So everything is looking just fine. And these mirror covers I got from eBay as well, still holding up good. I've had these for just about over a year, pretty much ever since I got the car. Just a little dirty if anything. So I did want to do an install video on the side skirts today, but I'm actually ordering paint protection film, clear, that I'm gonna go ahead and put over those. So I'm waiting for that to come in the mail before I install it, because I'd rather wrap it before it's on the car. So that's why today we're really just gonna be talking about the cheaper carbon fiber parts, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing on this as well for this video to give you guys something interesting. And yeah, once we go ahead and get it open, we will talk about the quality and, you know, how it was packaged as well and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere over here so you can watch the unboxing. Before this video starts, make sure to drop a like on it and subscribe if you are new. We have a lot of cool content coming. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy the video. Here we go. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can hear my puppy barking, but we just got a new miniature Schnauzer that she's going crazy in there. So, alright, I kind of need her to be quiet for me to do the video. Are you gonna be quiet for everyone? Huh? Yeah? Are you gonna stop barking? Oh, okay, I don't know, probably not. I don't know what she was even barking at. Ow! She was just barking at the door inside my house, so. Yeah, is that it? Okay, we'll be back. So this unboxing will actually be what determines, to me at least, whether the cheaper eBay carbon fiber parts are worth it or not. Now right off the bat, the packaging is very good. I mean, nothing is, hasn't been bent or anything really anywhere, and it still pretty much looks like it's fully intact from where it came from, so that's always good to see. God, they got some strong cardboard in Taiwan. I was trying to bend it the other way so I could hold it open for you guys. This is what it's looking like inside. Each part is individually bubble wrapped, which is another good sign to see. And these are, I believe, carbon fiber reinforced plastics, which is what a lot of the carbon fiber pieces really come as, and especially the cheaper ones. Some will come full carbon fiber, but those are, you know, a lot more expensive, and the weight difference is really minimal at anything. But yeah, first impression from right here, I mean, from what's going to be visible on the car, this looks very good. Weave is pretty nice. You know, a little bit funny there on the edge, but nothing crazy. And clear coat looks great too. So I guess I'm gonna have to set you guys up probably to take this whole thing off, because I can't do this with one hand. Oh, also has some extra cardboard down here to support it even more. This seems like it's even harder cardboard. Okay, so we have got both the side skirts completely unboxed. Excuse my giant mess there, it took me a few minutes. Anyways, let's get to like the quality and whatnot. Now the carbon fiber area does look extremely well. Like obviously you're not going to be seeing this, which, you know, the plastic area isn't all that pretty, but it's not going to matter because you're not going to see that anyways. The carbon fiber, obviously it's real, and I mean, everything's pretty good. The clear coat looks good, very even, not really any imperfections at all. Nice and smooth. You can see the way that it has that deep shine right now. And appearance-wise, these parts, I mean, I would give them a 10 out of 10 once they're on the car, I'd say. I mean, they look just fine. Definitely worth the $500. Another look at the other one. Now I'm gonna go hold this out in the sun. I have the garage open. See what it looks like out here. Make sure I don't hit anything. Ah, there we go. That's looking nice. And very lightweight too. Wanted to note that. Each piece weighs definitely less than 5 pounds. Maybe like 3 or 4 pounds, so that's good. I don't think they can really get any lighter with, you know, any other company. Maybe a pound or 2, but I mean, this is pretty good for what we're working with, I'd say. So price point on these pieces, I would give them honestly like a 9. I mean, price point is pretty good. 500 bucks for 2 pieces. I mean, usually you would be paying 500 for just the front piece, and we're getting 2 pieces now. So really can't complain about that. Everyone has to make money, and I'm sure there's room for the people in Taiwan. I'm sure they made plenty of money off of me on these. Packaging, I would give it 10. They did perfect on the packaging. Nothing got damaged, and I don't think anything really could have got damaged. Also, we have got some adhesive. That is very nice of them. I mean, this isn't gonna work though. I don't think there's any bolts or anything. Yeah, there's not, and we aren't gonna be just using adhesive. So, you know, that's another thing, buying the cheap parts. We're gonna have to find a way to put them on ourselves. Gonna have to go to the hardware store and get some stuff. And we're also gonna have to drill holes, I'd say, in each of these tabs. So one thing with the cheaper eBay parts is that the install is definitely a little tricky. Like this little hook here, I have no idea where that's supposed to go under the car, and I wish I could show you guys, but I mean, I can't really see. I don't know, like, I don't know if this is supposed to, I don't know. I have no idea. But I mean, fitment is all right. If I'm to hold this up right here, kind of only have one hand, but say it's supposed to go something, oh, not like that. Further up a little bit. I'd say it's supposed to go something like right here. And I'm sure once we have it attached, it'll look just fine. But I mean, with these parts, the fitment is always usually really the only issue. It's always hard to get on perfectly. And for ease of install, which we're not gonna do in this video, but I don't think it's gonna be very easy. I mean, I'm probably gonna end up taking the side skirts off of my car and then just doing it on the mat here, because I think it's gonna be very hard going under there and you know, trying to attach these to the underside. I really haven't figured that out yet, so that's why I wanted to do this separate video on just the unboxing and my opinion on the cheaper carbon fiber parts. So yeah, that's gonna be about it for this video. I would stay tuned maybe later this week. You guys will probably see this video on Tuesday. I would say maybe by the weekend, I'm gonna have the install done or uploaded or something like that. Might take some time, might have to have some help from a buddy or whatnot. But yeah, expect that coming soon for sure. If you did enjoy this video, make sure drop a like. If you are new, subscribe. We got a ton of new stuff coming. I'm spending a lot of money on stuff for this car so that I can keep you guys entertained. And once again, give me your feedback down below in the comments on your experience with any sort of carbon fiber part, whether cheaper or more expensive or whatever you got. Make sure to come by for the next video. I will see you guys later. Peace out.